What if a hurricane is coming towards you? Are you prepared? I'm Justin Does What, a Floridian and ex-storm chaser who has been through many hurricanes. In this video, I'm going to show you what we need to do to prepare for incoming storms. First, we need to head to the store to pick up some supplies. General items we normally grab would include a pack of flashlights, a lantern for lighting up a bigger area, and some packs of batteries including AA's and AAA's. We'll grab a couple of cases of bottled water, including some extras for the pets. Also, we make sure to get toilet paper and paper towels, as these tend to run out quickly prior to a storm. As for food, we'll grab some canned goods like Vienna sausages and snacks like sweet potato chips that won't go bad fast or need any refrigeration in case the power goes out for a long period of time. Bread is also a great idea. And of course, we can't forget the cookies. We'll also need to make sure we have plenty of food and water for our animals. Getting the house in order is the next priority. We don't have hurricane shutters, so we grab some wood from the local hardware store and put it up around the windows. We make sure to label the pieces with where they go on the house before storing them away. If you have a generator, grab it out. Mine has been sitting for a while stored away, but I always make sure to start it up. This little generator ran a refrigerator and some fans for us after Hurricane Ian, as we didn't have any power for over 2 weeks after the storm. Bring inside any loose items like lawn furniture, tables, and grills. Be sure to disconnect the propane tank first. Also, we bring the trash can inside so it doesn't blow away or hit the neighbor's car. A great tip we learned is to take water bottles and load them into the freezer. This way, if the power goes out, not only will it keep the freezer cooler for longer, but we also have cold water for a little while. We also are sure to have some games to play. These are always great to keep the kids entertained during the loss of power. During and after Ian, my wife and I's favorite games to play were Uno, Skibbo, and Solitaire. Be sure to plug in your phones and any charging packs you may have. This is also a great time to check the flashlights are working one by one, and also test out the new lantern to see if it works. These flashlights are rechargeable with USB cables, so we'll plug them in, as well as the lantern. This lantern is also solar powered, which is pretty cool. Both have battery packs just in case the rechargeable packs die. We also each have a pair of water boots for heavy flooding and a fan to keep us cool, as the smaller generator can't run the air conditioner. Next, we'll think about our vehicles. Before we head to the gas station though, we'll grab any extra gas tanks out of the shed. I have 3. I usually fill up an extra just in case the neighbors run out of gas or we need it in the vehicles after the storm to get somewhere safe. I load them up in the back of the truck and head to fill them up, bringing the propane tank as well to exchange for a full one. It's a good idea to fill up all vehicles with gas, as after the storm, it could be days or even weeks until gas will be available in your area due to downed trees or flooding. When filling the gas tanks, always set them on the ground to keep the gas from spilling into the vehicle. Another reason is so that static from the vehicle doesn't set them on fire. We also need to be prepared for after the storm. We keep an air compressor that can be hooked up to a car battery for flats, a pack of tire plugs and a plugging tool in case debris punctures our tires, and we have a power inverter which has USB plugs that can also be plugged into a 12-volt cigarette lighter. After Hurricane Ian, we were told by the linesmen, who were working tirelessly, that it could be weeks before we got our power back. This led us to invite all of our neighbors on the street over to barbecue any food they had left in the refrigerator or freezer. My wife also made an awesome charcuterie board. It's important to remember to stick together and help each other out even through difficult storms. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comments. If you found this video to be helpful, hit that subscribe button. You can also share this video with others to help them be prepared. Be safe out there, and thanks for watching.